Assalomu alaykum. Biz o'tgan adabiyot darsida Shirley Holmes and the Cyber Thief degan hikoyani o'qigan edik. Bugungi darsda biz shu personaj haqidagi boshqa bir hikoyani o'qiymiz. Shirley Holmes and the Lithuanian Case. Shirley Holmes va Litva ishi. Jennifer Bassett by Jennifer Bassett. Annotatsiya. Shirley Holmes and the Lithuanian Case. You can find private investigators like Shirley Holmes anywhere in the world. U kabi bu gaplarni biz o'qigan edik, mana bu yerdagilarni. Private investigators do all kinds of detective jobs. So what is the Lithuanian case? Litva ishi nima ekan? It is a missing persons case. Bu yo'qolgan kishilar haqidagi jinoiy ish. There is a missing daughter, Carrie Williams, aged 15. Kimnidir Carrie Williams ismli 15 yoshli qizi yo'qolgan. There is a new boyfriend from Lithuania. Uning litvalik boyfriendi bor ekan. There is a crying mother, there is an angry father, there is an unhappy little brother. Yig'layotgan ona, jahli chiqqan ota va baxtsiz uka. Demak, shu qiz yo'qolgani uchun ota-onasi va ukasi baxtsiz qolib ketishibdi. Carrie left her family home in London 5 weeks ago. Carrie Londondagi uyidan 5 hafta oldin chiqib ketgan. Carrie's mother wants Shirley Holmes to find her. Carriening oyisi Shirley Holmesning uni topishini xohlaydi. Shirley knows London very well, but she also understands people. Shirley Londonni yaxshi biladi, shuningdek u odamlarni tushunadi. 6 ta chapter bor ekan. Chapter 1, A Missing Daughter. Birinchi bob, yo'qolgan qiz. Somebody is ringing my office doorbell. Kimdir mening idoramdagi qo'ng'iroqni chalyapti. It's 9:10 on a Monday morning. Dushanba kuni soat 9:10. Dushanba kuni ertalab. That's early for a client to call. Bu payt mijoz kelishi uchun erta. But perhaps this is going to be a good week. Yoki balki ehtimol bu hafta yaxshi hafta bo'lar. Last week business was not very good. O'tgan hafta Shirleyning mijozlari ko'p bo'lmagan ekan. I need some new clients. Menga yangi mijozlar kerak. I look at my computer. Men kompyuterimga qarayman. I want to see the person before I open the door. Eshikni ochishdan oldin o'sha odamni ko'rishni xohlayman. The little camera over the door shows me a woman in a raincoat. Eshik ustidagi kamera menga mana shu yomg'irda ivib ketmasligi uchun kiyiladigan ustki kiyim kiygan ayolni ko'rsatadi. About 40 maybe. Balki taxminan 40 yoshdadir. Not rich, unchalik boyga o'xshamaydi. The raincoat is a cheap one from the street market. Bu plashning o'zi arzon bozordan olingan. She's carrying a newspaper, the Putney Gazette. Uning qo'lida gazeta bor, Putney gazetasi. I hit the open door button on the wall. Men eshikni ochish tugmasini bosaman. The door opens and the woman comes in. Eshik ochiladi va u ayol kiradi. Are you the private investigator, Shirley Holmes? She asks. Siz detective Shirley Holmesmisiz? U so'raydi. She looks around the office, probably looking for someone older. U idoraga qaraydi, xonaga kirgandan keyin kimnidir balki qidirayotgan bo'lsa kerak, yoshi kattaroq odamni. Chunki Shirleyning o'zi yoshda. I am. I use my older person voice. Shunday, men ovozimni o'zgartirib gapiraman. Please sit down. Mrs. iltimos o'tiring, xonim. Williams. Edith Williams. Williams, Edith Williams, she says. She sits down in my best chair and looks around the office again, still looking for that older person. Balki u shunchaki xonani qiziqib qarayotgandir. U o'tiradi va yana ofisga qaraydi, atrofga qaraydi. How can I help you, Mrs. Williams, I say. What's your problem? Qanday yordam berishim mumkin, Williams xonim, men deyman. Muammoyingiz nima? She looks at me then, and the trouble in her face is clear. O'sha paytda u keyin mening yuzimga qaraydi va men uning yuzidagi xavotirni, boshiga ish tushganini aniq ko'raman. Do you find people? She says. Odamlarni topib bera olasizmi? U deydi. Can you find my daughter? Qizimni topib bera olasizmi? She left home 5 weeks ago. 5 hafta oldin uydan ketgan. Just walked out. Shunchaki hech kimga aytmasdan chiqib ketgan. Took all her things and walked out. Hamma narsalarni olib chiqib ketgan. And not a word from her, no phone calls, not even a text, nothing. O'shandan beri biz undan xabar ham olmadik, telefon ham qilmadi. Edith Williams is nearly crying now. Shu gaplarni aytayotganda Edith Williams deyarli yig'layapti. Why? I ask. Nega? Men so'rayman. I'm careful. Family problems can be dangerous. Men ehtiyotkorlik bo'lib muomala qilyapman. Oilaviy muammolar xavfli bo'lishi mumkin. Ya'ni bularga ehtiyotkorlik bilan taktichna yondashish kerak. You open a door and all kinds of dark and horrible things come out. Xullas bu odamlardan savol so'rab, o'sha eshikni ochasiz, bu ko'chma ma'nodagi eshik. Ya'ni bu odamlarning dardining eshigini ochasiz va qorong'i, dahshatli narsalarni sizga aytib berishadi. And when those dark and horrible things are out, o'sha gaplarni eshitganingizdan keyin you can never put them back in again. Ularni qaytib esingizdan chiqara olmaysiz. Edith Williams is still trying not to cry. Edith Williams hali ham yig'lashdan o'zini tiyib turibdi. Why, Mrs. Williams, I say again. Nega, Williams xonim, men deyman. Why did your daughter leave home? Was there an argument? Nega qizingiz uydan chiqib ketgan? Janjallashib qolganmidingiz? Not with me, no. It's her father. Men bilan emas, yo'q. Otasi bilan. Now she really is crying, and u rostdan ham yig'layapti. 5 weeks of crying all in 2 minutes in my office. Demak, 5 haftadan beri xullas xafa bo'lib yurgan, all in 2 minutes in my office. Va 2 haftada men shularning hammasini 5 haftalik azoblarni ko'ryapman deyapti. 2 daqiqada. I get her a cup of coffee and sit on a chair next to her. Men unga choy qahva beraman va uning yonidagi stulga o'tiraman. Tell me all about it, Mrs. Williams. Take your time. Menga hammasini aytib bering, Williams xonim. Shoshilmang. The daughter carries 15, I learn. Men o'rganishimcha qizning ismi qiz Carrie 15 yoshda ekan. She likes boys, has lots of boyfriends, doesn't listen to her parents. U xullas o'g'il bolalar bilan uchrashib yurishni, boyfriend orttirishni yoqtirar ekan, ota-onasiga quloq solmas ekan. So what's new? Hayotida nima o'zgarganu, u oxiri uydan chiqib ketgan. Many 15-year-old girls are like that. Bu yangilik emas. O'smir qizlarning ko'pchiligi shunday deb aytyapti. But the new boyfriend, Edith Williams says, is older, and he's not English. He's a foreigner from Lithuania. Lekin yangi boyfriend, Edith Williamsning aytishicha, ya'ni onasining aytishicha, yoshi kattaroq ekan qizidan. Va u ingliz emas ekan. U xorijlik, litvalik. I remember my Ukrainian grandmother, my Greek mother. Men o'zimning Ukrainalik buvimni va Grek oyimni eslayman. Foreigners. Xorijliklar, ya'ni ular inglizlardan farq qilishadi. Is that a problem for you? I ask a foreigner. Yo'q, balki bu narsani nazarda tutmagandir foreigners. Ya'ni Sherlock Holmesning o'zining ajdodlari ham immigrantlar bo'lishganda xullas. Ya'ni o'zi Angliyada katta bo'lgan bo'lsa ham mana bitta buvisi ukrainalik ekan, onasi grek ekan. Bu siz uchun muammomi? O'sha boyfriendning xorijlik bo'lishi. Not for me, but it is for my husband, Edith Williams says. Men uchun emas, lekin erim uchun muammo. Edith Williams deydi. He doesn't like foreigners. U chet elliklarni yoqtirmaydi. They come here, he says. They take our jobs, they take our houses, they take our money. Uylar bu yerga kelib, ishga joylashadi, uylarimizni olib qo'yishadi, pullarimizni olishadi. Ya'ni bizning nonimizga, bizning boshpanamizga, bizning yerimizga sherik bo'lishadi degan gap bu. And they can't speak English. Va ular ingliz tilida gapira olishmaydi. He gets very angry about it. Bu haqida uning juda jahli chiqadi. He says some horrible things to Carrie. U Carrie'ga mana shu litvalik boyfriendi borligi uchun juda yomon gaplarni aytadi. I don't want this foreigner in my house, he says. Mana shu xorijlik ajnabiy kishi uyimda bo'lishini xohlamayman. U deydi. And Carrie goes crazy va Carrie'ning jahli chiqib ketadi. She calls her father some horrible names and he gets really angry. U otasini turli so'zlar bilan ataydi. Ya'ni qanaqa so'zlar bo'lishi mumkin? Bilmadim, crazy, you stupid. Xullas mana shunaqa kabi gaplarni aytganda otasiga va otasining jahli chiqib ketadi. He is shouting and Carrie's crying. Otasi baqiryapti, Carrie esa yig'layapti. They don't stop for hours. Ular bir necha soat mana shunday janjallashishadi. Edith Williams stops for a second. Edith Williams bir soniyaga to'xtaydi. She can still hear the shouting and the crying, I think. Menimcha o'sha janjalning ovozlari hali ham uning quloqida o'rnashib qolgan. And what happened next? Undan keyin nima bo'ldi? I ask quietly. Men past ovozda so'rayman. The next day, Mrs. Williams says, Carrie left. Ertasi kuni Williams xonim deydi, Carrie chiqib ketdi. Early in the morning, before we all got up, she left a letter. Ertalab hamma uyg'onishidan oldin u xat qoldiribdi. Have you got the letter? I ask. Xat sizdami hozir? Men so'rayman. Yes, I have. Ha, bor. She gives the letter to me and I read it quickly. U menga xatni beradi va men tez o'qiyman. An angry letter from an angry 15-year-old. Jahl bilan yozilgan xat jahli chiqqan 15 yoshli qizdan. Nothing useful. Yordam beradigan narsasi yo'q. I give the letter back to her. Men xatni Williams xonimga qaytarib beraman. I asked all her friends, Mrs. Williams says. Everyone, men barcha do'stlaridan so'radim, Williams xonim deydi. Hammasidan. Sizga sezilyaptimi yo'qmi, lekin tomog'im bloklangan. Va har doimgidek bu narsa menga yoqmayapti. Qanday edi men ham mana shu bloklangan tomoqlar uyidan chiqib ketsam, ko'chma ma'noda. Everyone, hammadan so'radim. 15 yoshli, demak u hali maktabga borayotgan qiz bo'lganda. Maktab o'quvchisi. They didn't know, ular bilishmadi. Or they didn't want to tell me, yoki menga aytishni xohlashmagandir. And she stopped going to school. U esa maktabga bormayapti. What about the police, I ask. Politsiyachi, men so'rayman. I can't go to the police. My husband doesn't want to see her again. Men politsiyaga borolmayman. Erim Carrie'ni boshqa ko'rishni xohlamaydi. We can't even say her name at home. Uyda hatto uning ismini ham ayta olmayapmiz hozir. We? Who's we? Me and Darren. Biz deb kimni aytyapsiz? Men va Darren. He's Carrie's little brother. U Carrie'ning ukasi. He's 10. He's very unhappy about all this. U 10 yoshda. U bo'lgan voqeadan juda ham baxtsiz. I must meet Darren. 10-year-old boys can be very useful. They see and hear a lot. Men Darren bilan uchrashishim kerak. 10 yoshli bolalar foydali bo'lishadi. Ular ko'p narsani eshitishadi va ko'rishadi. Endi bola tushunmaydi deb ba'zan kattalar bola atrofida har xil gaplarni aytishadi-ku. Xullas esida qolgan narsani agar Darren nimanidir bilgan bo'lsa, o'shalarni so'rab olaman deyapti. Edith Williams looks at me with her red eyes. Edith Williams menga qizargan ko'zlari bilan qaraydi. Can you find her for me? I just want to know she's all right. Menga topib bera olasizmi uni? Shunchaki uning yaxshi ekanligini bilishni xohlayman. And this boyfriend, this Lithuanian. Va mana shu boyfriend Litvalik. What's he like? Qanaqa u o'zi? How old is he? Necha yoshda? What does he do? Nima ish qiladi? Is he kind or mehribonmi? Is he the right person for my little girl? U qizimga mosmi? I take the job. Men ishni olaman. I ask for a photograph of Carrie, the names of friends, the school, mobile phone numbers. Men Carrie'ning rasmini so'rayman. Do'stlarning ismlari, maktabi, telefon raqamlari. Can I talk to Darren? I ask. Darren bilan gaplashsam bo'ladimi? So'rayman. Yes, we can meet him after school. Edith Williams says. Ha, u bilan maktabdan keyin uchrashishimiz mumkin. Edith Williams deydi. But please don't come to my house. Please, my husband. Lekin iltimos uyimga bormang. Iltimos, erim. I understand, I say. Tushunaman, men deyman. I can text you when I have some news. Nimadir xabar topganimda sizga xabar yozaman. She doesn't know the name of the Lithuanian boyfriend. U litvalik boyfriendning ismini bilmaydi. That's really helpful. Bu juda ham foydali. Yordam beradi, katta yordam beradi deb kinoya bilan aytyapti. Bu aslida ishni qiyinlashtiradi. Litvalik hattoki ismi ham noma'lum bo'lgan odamni topish kerakda. There are thousands of Lithuanians in London. Londonda minglab litvalik odamlar bor. Rostdan ham shuncha odam bormikan litvalik Londonda? Finding one young man without a name in thousands of people, how easy is that? Xullas minglab kishilar orasidan ismi noma'lum bir kishini topish qanchalik bu oson? Oson emas, qiyin. Chapter 2. Help from friends. Do'stlardan yordam. I begin with Carrie, of course. Albatta men Carrie'ning o'zidan boshlayman. I have a name and a photograph and a school. Menda uning ismi bor, rasmi bor va qaysi maktabda o'qishini bilaman. I meet Darren when he comes out of school and we go to Carrie's school. Men Darren maktabi tugagandan keyin, darslar tugagandan keyin u bilan uchrashaman va biz Carrie'ning maktabiga boramiz. We sit in my car and watch the students when they leave. Demak, Darrenni o'zi bilan olib Carrie'ning maktabiga olib borar ekan. Biz mening mashinamda o'tirib maktabdan chiqayotgan o'quvchilarni kuzatamiz. That's Janice. Look, says Darren. And oh, Janice. Qarang, Darren deydi. The girl with long black hair. Uzun qora sochli qiz. She's very friendly with Carrie. U Carrie bilan juda xushmuomala, samimiy. And that's Kim next to her. I like Kim. Uning yonidagi esa Kim. Men Kimni yoqtiraman. She's funny, she makes me laugh. U kulgili, u meni kuldiradi. Darren. Oh, and that's Ant. See, the one with very short hair and black clothes. Ana u esa Ant. Ant o'zi chumoli degani. Mana bu. Xullas mana bu-da. sochi juda kalta olingan va qora kiyimlar kiygani. And what name is that? Anthea? Ant bu qanaqa ism? Antheaning qisqartmasimi? Don't know, says Darren. She's just Ant. Demak bunisi ham qiz bola ekan. Bilmayman, Darren deydi. U shunchaki men uchun Ant. I take a quick photo of the three girls and then I take Darren for a pizza to say thank you. Men qizlarning rasmini olaman, keyin Darrenni unga rahmat deyish uchun pizzaga olib boraman. Ya'ni menga yordam bergani uchun unga pizza olib beraman. Can you find my sister? He says. Opamni topa olasizmi? U so'raydi. It's horribly quiet at home without her. Usiz uyimiz juda sokin bo'lib qoldi. Nobody ever laughs now. Endi hech kim kulmaydi. Mum cries all night. I hear her. Oyim kechasi bilan yig'lab chiqadilar, men ularni eshitaman. I look at his small boy face. Yep, I can find her. Men uning xullas mana shu yosh yuziga qarayman. Ha, topa olaman. That evening I phoned my friend in the police. O'sha kechasi men politsiyadagi do'stimga qo'ng'iroq qilaman. Sahid. He's a detective. O'tgan safar Sahid Shirliga yordam bergan edi, esingizda bo'lsa. U Detective Sergeant Sahid Patel. Or Detective Sergeant Sahid Patel. Hi Sahid, how are you? Salom Sahid, halom. Nega halom dedim? Nega miyam mana shunaqa adashtirib yuboradi? Ko'p xato qilaman. Juda ko'p xato qilaman. Salom Sahid, qandaysan? Fine. What's new with you? Sahid says. Are you working on a case? Yaxshi. Senda yangilik qanday? Sahid so'raydi. Ish olganmisan? Yes, I've got a missing persons case. Men bir kishini qidiryapman. Yo'qolgan kishi ishini olganman. A missing girl. Yo'qolgan qiz. Her mother came to me today. Bugun oyisi mening yonimga keldi. The girl left home 5 weeks ago after an argument with her father about her boyfriend, a Lithuanian boyfriend. Qiz otasi bilan boyfrendi haqida janjallashib qolgandan keyin uydan chiqib ketgan ekan, litvalik boyfriend. How old is the girl? Sahid asks. Qiz necha yoshda ekan? Sahid so'raydi. 15. Oh dear. Sahid is not surprised. Ey Xudo, Sahid hayratlanmaydi. Every day we get missing persons reports. Do you know how many? Har kuni biz mana shunaqa yo'qolgan kishilar haqida odamlardan hisobot. Xullas yo'qolgan kishilar haqida bizga odamlar aytishadi. Nechtaligini bilasanmi? No, tell me how many. Yo'q, aytmenga nechta. The police in Britain get about 1,000 reports every day, Sahid says. Butun Britaniyadagi politsiya har kuni 1000 ta yo'qolgan kishi haqida xabar oladi. Sahid deydi. And nearly 1/3 of those are young people between the ages of 15 and 17. Va deyarli 1/3 mana shulardan 1000 tadan 15 va 17 yosh orasidagi o'smirlar. When did the mother make the report to the police? Oyisi politsiyaga xabar bergan ekanmi? She didn't. Qachon xabar bergan ekan? Xabar bermagan. The girl's father doesn't want to see her again. Qizning otasi qizini qayta ko'rishni xohlamas ekan, I say. So no police, no missing persons report and no looking for her. Shunday qilib politsiya yo'q, xabar berilmagan va uni qidirishmayapti. That's what the mother told me. Oyisi menga shunday dedi. Okay, be careful Shirley. The girl's only 15. Xo'p. Ehtiyot bo'l, Shirley. Qiz bor yo'g'i 15 yoshda. She can't get married before she's 16 and the law says 16 yoshga to'lishidan oldin u turmushga chiqa olmaydi. va qonunga ko'ra I know all that, Sahid. I know the law. Men bularni bilaman, Sahid. Men qonunni bilaman. Of course you do. Sorry. Albatta bilasan, uzr. There's a smile in Sahid's voice. So, what do you want from me? I know the law. Xo'p. Xullas shu gapni aytganida Sahid jilmaygandi. Men bilaman. Mendan qanday yordam kerak? Can you help with the Lithuanian boyfriend? Litvalik boyfriend bilan yordam bera olasanmi? I say. Where do I look for him? Can you give me some names? People to talk to. Men uni qayerdan qidiray? Menga ismlar ayta olasanmi? Kim bilan gaplashsam bo'ladi? Maybe, but there are about 200,000 Lithuanians in London. Lekin Londonda taxminan 200 mingta litvaliklar bor. Nega buncha ko'p? G'alati emasmi? Shoshmanglar. Litvaning o'zining aholisi, xullas mana bu AI bizga topib bergan ma'lumotga ko'ra 2,890,000 kishi. Shundan 200 mingtasi Londonda bo'lsa, bu nima degani? Nega buncha litvaliklar Londonda? Shunchasi butun Birlashgan Qirollikda bo'lsa ham mayli edi. 200 mingtasi Londonda, bitta shaharda. When do you want this? I have work to do, you know. Buni senga qanchalik tez topib beray? Mening qiladigan ishim bor. I'm going to try the girls' school friends first. Birinchi men qizning maktabdagi do'stlari bilan gaplashib ko'raman. I say, can you do it in a day or two? 1-2 kunda topib bera olasanmi? Text me when you have something. Nimadir aniqlaganingda menga xabar yoz. Okay, bye now. Xo'p, hozircha xayr. The next day at 4 o'clock, I'm outside Carrie's school. Ertasi kuni soat 4 da men Carrie'ning maktabi tashqarisidaman. Bu ertalabki 4 mi yo tushdan keyingi 4 mi? I have my photo of the 3 girls and I soon see them. Menda 3 ta qizning rasmi bor va men tez orada ularni ko'raman. They are standing, all 3 of them, in the street, looking at their mobile phones and laughing. Ular tik turishibdi, uchalasi ham ko'chada, telefonlariga qarab va kulib. I walk over to them. Men ularning yoniga yurib boraman. Hi guys, I say. You're friends of Carrie Williams, right? Salom. Men deyman, sizlar Carrie Williamsning do'stlarisiz, shundaymi? I need your help. Menga yordamingiz kerak. Carrie Williams, says the girl called Anne. Who's she? Carrie Williams, Ant ismli qiz so'raydi. Kim u? I watch the girls' faces. They know Carrie all right. Men qizlarning yuzini kuzataman. Ular Carrie'ni bilishadi. And they know she's missing. Va ular uning yo'qolganini ham bilishadi. But how much do they know? Lekin u haqida yana qancha narsa bilishadi? Ko'p narsa bilishadimi? Come on, I say. You're Carrie's best friends. I'm looking for her. I need to find her. Sizlar Carrie'ning do'stlarisiz, men uni qidiryapman, men uni topishim kerak. And who are you? Asks the girl called Janice. Siz o'zingiz kimsiz? Janice ismli qiz so'raydi. To'g'risi, mana buning talaffuzini men amin emasman. Balki Janice'dir, balki Janice'dir. Urg'u qayerda bo'lishini bilmayapman. I give them my card. Men ularga vizitkamni beraman. Shirley Holmes, private investigator. The girl called Kim laughs. Kim ismli qiz kuladi. Shirley Holmes, are you the granddaughter of Sherlock Holmes or something? Shirley Holmes? Siz Sherlock Holmesning nevarasimisiz? I smile. Men jilmayaman. I get this all the time, again and again. Bu kabi gaplarni men ko'p eshitaman. And again. Qayta. Great granddaughter. He lived in the 1890s. Men uning nevarasiman. Mana granddaughter nevara degani great granddaughter nevarasining qizi bo'ladi. Ya'ni yana bitta avlod orada masofa bo'lyapti. Great granddaughter demak mana nevarasining qizi nevarasining nevarasi. Xullas on был мой pra mana shunday ruscha aytganda pradedushkada. He lived in the 1890s. U 1890-yillarda yashagan. Wow, really? That is awesome, says Kim. Shunday, rostdanmi? Ajoyib, deydi Kim. Janice and Ant laugh. Janice va Ant kulishadi. Kim, you idiot. Sherlock Holmes wasn't a real person. Kim, tentaksan. Sherlock Holmes haqiqiy odam bo'lmagan. He's just a detective in stories on television. U shunchaki o'ylab topilgan personaj. And in books, I say, the books were first. Kinolardagi detektiv deyapti va kitoblar birinchi kelgan. Ya'ni kitoblar birinchi yozilgan. The girls look at me and their faces are more friendly now. Qizlar menga qarashadi va ularning yuzlari hozir xullas siz bilan gaplashamiz deydigan yuz. Okay, Shirley Holmes, great granddaughter of Sherlock, says Ant. Xo'p, Shirley Holmes, Sherlockning nevarasining nevarasi, deydi Ant. How can we help you? Qanday sizga yordam bera olamiz? Who are you looking for? What was her name again? Kimni qidiryapsiz? Ismini nima dedingiz? Ant is going to be difficult. I can see that. Ant oson javob bermaydi. Men buni ko'ryapman. She's a good friend of Carrie's and she's not going to talk. U Carrie'ning yaxshi do'sti va u do'sti haqida xullas begonalarga ma'lumot bermaydi. Do you have mothers, I say, all three of you? Uchalangizning ham oyingiz bormi? Men so'rayman. The girls stare at me. Of course we have mothers, says Janice. What are you talking about? Uchala qiz ham menga qarab qolishadi. Albatta onalarimiz bor. Nimalar deyapsiz o'zi? Do you love your mothers? Do your mothers love you? Oyingizni yaxshi ko'rasizlarmi? Oyingiz sizlarni yaxshi ko'radimi? I say, well, listen. Carrie's mother loves her daughter. Quloq solinglar. Carrie'ning oyisi qizini yaxshi ko'radi. And now Carrie's mother can't sleep at night. Carrie yo'qolganidan beri Carrie'ning oyisi kechasi uxlolmayotgan ekan. She doesn't eat. Ovqat yemayapti. She cries about Carrie all the time. U Carrie haqida har doim yig'lab yuradi. She wants to know that Carrie is all right. U Carrie'ning ahvoli yaxshi ekanligini bilishni xohlaydi. Can you understand that? Shuni tushunyapsizlarmi? She just wants to know. U shunchaki qizingiz yaxshi degan gapni eshitishni xohlaydi. Kim looks at me with big eyes. Kim menga katta ko'zlar bilan qaraydi. Oh, poor Mrs. Williams, she says. Bechora Williams xonim, u deydi. Ant gives her an angry look. Ant unga jahl bilan qaraydi. We don't know Carrie Williams, she says. Remember? Biz Carrie Williamsni tanimaymiz, u deydi. Esingdan chiqdimi? Janice looks at me. Give us a minute, she says. We need to talk. Janice menga qaraydi. Bizga bir daqiqa vaqt bering. Gaplashib olishimiz kerak. They move away, turn their backs to me and talk quietly. Ular uzoqroqqa ketib, menga orqalarini o'girib, gaplashishadi past ovozda. I can't hear them. Men ularning ovozlarini eshitolmayman. Then they come back to me. Keyin ular yonimga qaytib kelishadi. Okay, says Ant. What do you want? Xo'p, Ant deydi. Nimani xohlaysiz? You know Cafe Nero in Putney High Street? Tomog'im bloklangani uchun talaffuzim yaxshi chiqmayapti. Talaffuzim yaxshi chiqmayapti degani o'zbek tilida ham talaffuzim yaxshi chiqmayapti degani. Patni ko'chasidagi Nero kafesini bilasizlarmi? I say, tell Carrie this. Carrie'ga mana shu gapni aytinglar. I'm going to be in Cafe Nero at 8:30 tomorrow evening and 18:30 and 18:30 the evening after that. Men ertaga kechki 6:30da Nero kafesida bo'laman va undan keyingi kunda ham 6:30da o'sha yerda bo'laman. I want to see her and talk to her. Men u bilan ko'rishib, gaplashishni xohlayman. I want to know she's alive and well. Men uning tirikligi va ahvoli yaxshi ekanligini bilishni xohlayman. That's all. Bori shu. Then I can tell her mother and Mrs. Williams can stop crying all night. Keyin men oyisiga qizining ahvoli haqida aytaman, keyin va Mrs. Williams kechasi bilan yig'lashni to'xtatadi. Okay, Aunt says, we got it. Xo'p, Aunt deydi. Shundik. Thanks guys, I say. See you around. Rahmat, men deyman. Spasibo, rебята. Shunaqa bo'ladimi ruscha aytganda? Yoki devushki. Sizlar bilan yana ko'rishamiz. See you, they say. Ko'rishguncha, ular deyishadi. Chapter 3. Talking to Carrie. Carrie bilan gaplashish. Carrie doesn't come the first evening. Birinchi kechada Carrie kelmaydi. I sit there for 2 hours and drink a lot of coffee. Men o'sha yerda Nero kafesida 2 soat kutaman va ko'p qahva ichaman. 5 big cups, black, no sugar. It's a good thing I like coffee. Katta 5 ta chashkada qora, shakarsiz. Mana shu qahvaga allergiyam yo'qligi yaxshi narsa deyapti. Bo'lmasa 2 soat kafeda xullas qahva ichmasdan boshqa narsa qilishga to'g'ri kelar edi. But she comes the next evening. Lekin keyingi kuni kechki paytda u keladi. I'm sitting with my back to the wall, watching the door. Men devorga orqamni o'girib o'tiribman, eshikni kuzatib. Through the cafe window I see Aunt in her black clothes. Kafening derazasidan men Auntni ko'raman. She's walking past slowly, looking into the cafe. U sekin kafe ichiga qarab o'tib ketyapti. A minute or two later, Carrie comes in. 1-2 daqiqadan keyin Carrie keladi and walks over to my table va mening stolim yoniga keladi. Red hair, green eyes, no smile. I stand up. Sochi qizil, ko'zi yashil, jilmaymaydi, tabassum yo'q, kulmaydi. Men o'rnimdan turaman. Hi Carrie, I'm Shirley Holmes. Thanks for coming. Have a seat. Can I get you a coffee or a tea? Salom Carrie, men Shirley Holmesman. Kelganing uchun rahmat, o'tir. Senga qahva olaymi yoki choymi? I'm using my head teacher voice. Men o'zimning o'qituvchi ovozimni ishlatyapman. Right girls, sit down. Head teacher, director degani. Angliyada director head teacher deyiladi yoki headmaster deyiladi. Amerikada esa principal. Mana shu o'zimni direktor ovozimdan foydalanyapman. O'zimni mana shunday direktordek tutyapman. Avtoriteti bor odamday. Xo'p qizlar, o'tiringlar. Open your books. Kitoblaringizni oching. Get to work. Boshlanglar darsni. I don't want Carrie to have time to think. Men Carrie'da o'ylash uchun vaqt qolishini xohlamayman. She doesn't want coffee or tea. U qahva yoki choy xohlamaydi. She wants to have an argument. U bu yerga janjallashish uchun kelgan. I'm not going home, she says, so you can forget that. Men uyga ketmayman. Bu haqida unuting. I don't need my family. I have a new life now. Menga oila kerak emas. Men o'zim uchun yangi hayot topdim. I watch her face and she stares back at me with angry green eyes. Men uning yuzini kuzataman, u esa menga jahldor yashil ko'zlar bilan tikilib turadi. I don't think Carrie is in trouble. Carrie'ning boshi kulfatda deb o'ylamayman. Carrie knows what she wants and Carrie gets what she wants. Carrie nima xohlashini biladi va o'zi xohlagan narsaga erishadi. I think Carrie makes trouble. Menimcha Carrie'ning o'zi muammochi. Shumtaka deylik. I begin to feel sorry for the boyfriend. Men uning boyfriendiga achinishni boshlayman, bechora. Litvalik. Why are you here, Carrie? I say. What did your friends say to you? Nega bu yerga kelding, Carrie? Do'stlaring senga nima deyishdi? She doesn't answer, just looks at me. U javob bermaydi, shunchaki menga qaraydi. Did they tell you about your mom crying all night because her little girl is living on the streets, because her little girl is taking drugs, because her little girl is in big trouble? Oying haqida ular senga aytishdimi? Oying uyda sen haqingda xavotirda yig'lab o'tiribdi, chunki qizi ko'chada yashab yuribdi, chunki qizi balki tabletkalar bilan shug'ullanayotgandir, salbiy ma'noda. Chunki qizining boshi kulfatda. Suddenly, Carrie has a lot to say. To'satdan Carrie sayrashni boshladi. I'm not living on the streets. Men ko'chada yashamayapman. She shouts at me. U menga baqiradi. And I don't do drugs. Va men tabletkalardan foydalanmayman. I never do drugs. Who told you all this? Bu gaplarni sizga kim aytdi? It's not true. Bular noto'g'ri, hammasi yolg'on, bo'xton, uydurma, hammasi xullas bo'lmagan gap. People in the cafe turned their heads to look at us. Demak, Carrie tomosha ko'rsatayotgani uchun kafedagi odamlar bizga qarashadi. I smile around at everybody. Men hammaga jilmayaman. I smile to say, everything's fine here. Just a big sister, little sister argument. Happens all the time. Enjoy your coffee. Have a nice day. Va mening tabassumim mana shu xabarni odamlarga yetkazadi. Hammasi joyida. Shunchaki opa-singil janjallashyapmiz. Har doim sodir bo'ladi bunaqasi. Qahvangizni ichaveringlar. Kuningiz yaxshi o'tsin. I look back at Carrie's angry face. Men Carrie'ning jahldor yuziga yana qarayman. But your mom doesn't know that. Shu yerda bitta narsani aytishimiz kerak. Jennifer Bassettning yozish uslubi menga yoqdi. Xullas, mana bu yerda detektivlar o'qiyapmiz. Bunda yumor ham bor. Mana bu o'smirlar orasida bo'ladigan muammo ham bor. Tabletkalar. Uydan chiqib ketish. Xullas, yaxshi yozilgan. Iste'dodi bor ekan bu yozuvchining. But your mom doesn't know that, I say quietly. Lekin oying bu narsani bilmaydi. Men unga past ovozda deyman. At night, when she can't sleep, she thinks about those things. Kechasi uxlolmayotganida sen haqingda o'ylaganda mana shunaqa shubhalarga boradi. You're only 15, Carrie, and it's a big, bad world out there. Bor yo'g'i 15 yoshdasan. Dunyo esa katta va nima desa bo'ladi? Yomon dunyo deymizmi? O'zi shunday deb yozilgan, katta yomon dunyo. Of course your mom is afraid for you. Albatta, tabiiyki oying sen uchun qo'rqyapti. Carrie looks down at the table. Carrie stolga qaraydi. Yeah, well, she looks up. But I'm okay. I'm fine. You can tell her that. Xo'sh. Lekin mening ahvolim yaxshi. Men yaxshiman. Unga shu gapni ayting. Why don't you tell her, I say. Call her, text her. Nega o'zing aytmaysan? Telefon qil, SMS yoz. Carrie stares at me. Who sent you? She says. Mom, or was it my dad? Carrie menga tikiladi. Sizni kim yubordi? Oyimmi yoki dadammi? Your mom, oying. Look, I'm not texting mom because I don't want my dad to know. Oyimga yozmayapman chunki agar oyimga yozsam, keyin dadam ham xabar topadilar. I don't want to see him again ever. Ularni boshqa ko'rishni xohlamayman. Hech qachon. We're not talking about your dad, I say quickly. I know all about your dad. Dadang haqida gaplashmayapmiz. Dadang haqida hamma narsani bilaman. We're talking about your mom. Oying haqida gaplashyapmiz. And your mom needs to know you're all right. Oying sening yaxshi yurganingni bilishi kerak. But she needs to hear it from you, not me. Lekin bu gapni seni o'zingdan eshitishi kerak. Mendan emas, ya'ni kimdir yaxshi ekan, ha ko'rdim yaxshi ekan deganni baribir ha oyi o'zim men yaxshiman degani bilan bitta narsa emasda. Shu narsani aytyapti. She texts you every day, you know. Har kuni senga xat yozar ekan. And you never text back. Never. Sen esa 5 haftadan beri 5 haftadan oshdi xabarlarga javob yozmagansan. Carrie looks away. Carrie yuzini olib qochadi. I got a new mobile and changed my number. I never got her texts. Men raqamimni almashtirdim. Xabarlarini o'qiganim yo'q. I laugh. Very good, Carrie. You read detective stories, right? Men kulaman. Juda yaxshi, Carrie. Detektiv hikoyalar o'qir ekansan, shunday. Always change your mobile when you don't want people to find you. Odamlar seni topishlarini xohlamasang, raqamingni o'zgartir. O'zi mana shu telefondan yoki sim kartadan foydalanib odamning lokatsiyasini aniqlasa bo'ladimi? Kinolardagidek. Dangerous things, mobile phones. Xavfli narsalar, telefonlar. Carrie nearly smiles. Carrie to'satdan deyarli jilmayadi. Thomas says, she begins, then stops. Thomasning aytishicha, u boshlaydi, keyin to'xtaydi. Is Thomas your boyfriend, I say? Thomas boyfriendingmi? So'rayman. The one from Lithuania? Are you still with him? O'sha litvalik. Hali ham u bilanmisan? Of course I'm still with him. Carrie is angry again. I love him and he loves me. We're in love. Albatta men u bilan birgaman. Carriening yana jahli chiqadi. Men uni yaxshi ko'raman, u ham meni yaxshi ko'radi. Biz bir-birimizni sevamiz. I try not to smile. Men jilmaymaslikka harakat qilaman. How wonderful to be 15 and in love for the first time. Birinchi marta 15 yoshda sevib qolish qanday ajoyib narsa. That's great, I say. I'm happy for you. Ajoyib, men deyman. Sen uchun xursandman. But please text your mom. Tell her you're all right. Iltimos oyinga xabar yoz. Yaxshi ekanligingni ayt. Okay, says Carrie. This evening. Xo'p, Carrie deydi. Bugun yozaman. She looks at her watch and stands up. I must go. I'm meeting someone. U qo'lidagi soatga qaraydi va o'rnidan turadi. Ketishim kerak, bir kishi bilan uchrashyapman. Thanks for coming, Carrie, and remember that text. Kelganing uchun rahmat, Carrie. Xabar yozish esingdan chiqmasin. She walks out of the cafe and 15 seconds later I'm following her. U kafedan chiqib ketadi. 15 soniyadan keyin men uning orqasidan ketyapman. She's walking down the high street, maybe to the bus station. U katta ko'chadan, high streetdan ketyapti. Mana shu ko'cha bo'ylab ketyapti. Balki avtobus bekatigadir. Yo'q, bekat emas. Avtovokzal. Bus station. Avtovokzal degani bus stop bekat. Avtobus bekati. I've got a minute, but I must be quick. Menda 1 daqiqa bor, lekin men tez harakatlanishim kerak. A private investigator always needs to carry a big bag. Detektiv har doim katta sumka ko'tarib yuradi. I stop by a shop window and open my bag. 3 seconds later, I'm wearing a blue t-shirt over my red t-shirt. Bir do'konning derazasi yonida to'xtayman va sumkamni ochaman. 3 soniyadan keyin men qizil futbolkam ustida ko'k futbolka kiyganman. In another 5 seconds, I have a wig on and my short black hair is now long blonde hair. Yana 5 soniyada men parik kiyib olaman. Mening qisqa kalta qora sochim uzun malla sochga aylanadi. Now I'm walking away from the shop window and I'm wearing glasses. Endi men yo'lda davom etyapman va ko'zoynak taqqanman. My big brown bag is now inside a small black backpack. Meaning sumkam endi ryukzak ichida. No time to change the shoes. Tuflilarni almashtira olmayman. Carrie is a long way down the street. Carrie ko'chada uzoqda. I walk fast, nearly running, and watch her red head in front of me. Men tez yuraman, deyarli men yuguryapman va uning qizil sochiga qarab ketyapman. When I get to the bus station, I can't see her at first and walk quickly past all the people waiting. Avtovokzalga yetib borganimda men boshida uni ko'rmayman va barcha kutib turgan odamlarning yonidan tez o'taman. She's there, waiting for the number 71 bus. U o'sha yerda 71 avtobusni kutyapti. I wait too, about 20 meters away, and I'm reading the evening newspaper with great interest. Men kutyapman taxminan 20 metr uzoqda va men kechki gazetani qiziqish bilan o'qiyapman. A private investigator always has today's newspaper in their bag. Detektivning sumkasida har doim bugungi kunning gazetasi bor. But Carrie doesn't look round. Lekin Carrie atrofga qaramayapti. When the bus comes, Carrie goes upstairs. Avtobus kelganida Carrie avtobusning tepasiga chiqadi. Double decker ekan. This is good news for me because I can sit downstairs at the back of the bus. Bu men uchun yaxshi xabar, chunki men avtobusning orqasida pastda o'tira olaman. I can see Carrie when she gets off, but she can't see me. Carrie avtobusdan tushganda men uni ko'rishim mumkin, lekin u meni ko'rmaydi. It's a short bus ride, only 10 minutes. Bu qisqa avtobusdagi yo'l. Boyog'i 10 daqiqa. Carrie gets off the bus and turns left into a small street. Carrie avtobusdan tushib, kichik bir ko'chaga chap tomonga buriladi. I'm 30 meters behind her. Men uning orqasida 30 metr orqadaman. Carrie looks round once and sees someone with blonde hair in a blue t-shirt and glasses. Carrie bir marta orqasiga qaraydi va malla sochli, ko'k futbolka kiygan, ko'zoynak taqqan bir kishini ko'radi. She doesn't know me. U meni tanimaydi. Halfway down the street, she crosses the road and goes into a big old house. Ko'chaning yarmiga borganida u ko'chani kesib o'tadi, ya'ni yo'ldan o'tadi va katta eski uyga kiradi. I walk past the house, not too fast, not too slow. Men uyning yonidan o'tib ketaman, unchalik tez emas, unchalik sekin emas. I can't follow her into the house because there are no other people around. Men uning orqasidan uy ichiga kira olmayman, chunki atrofda boshqa odamlar yo'q. You can only hide easily when there are lots of people around. Atrofda odamlar ko'p bo'lganidagina yashirinish mumkin. I take the next right, walk for 10 minutes. Men yo'lda davom etib, o'ng tomonga burilaman, 10 daqiqa piyoda yuraman, then turn around and come back. Keyin o'girilib qaytib kelaman. Walk for 10 minutes. Bu qanchalik to'g'ri qaror ekan? Bilmadim. Xullas, yana qaytib kelaman deyapti. This time I walk to the front door of the big house. Bu safar men o'sha katta uyning old eshigiga yurib boraman. There are 6 bells by the door with the names next to them. Mana rasmda eshik yonida 6 ta qo'ng'iroq bor. Bularda ismlar yozilgan. John Azamba, Kay Brown, Lily Sadeli, va bir nima T. Grigas, Westbrook. It's a house with 6 different apartments. Bu uyda 6 ta kvartira bor ekan. I look at the names, but there isn't a Williams next to any bell. Men ismlarga qarayman, lekin bittasida ham Williams deb yozilmagan. Well, of course not, albatta yo'q. She's living with her Lithuanian boyfriend. U litvalik boyfrendi bilan yashayapti. I look at the names again. Men ismlarga yana qarayman. John Azamba yoki balki Ozumbadir, Kay Brown, Lily Sadeli, Vanite, T. Grigas, and M.M. Westbrook. Vanite and Grigas. Lithuanian names, I think. Thomas Grigas, perhaps? Balki Thomas Grigasdir. To'g'ri kelyapti. You can't stand in a quiet street and watch a house. Hech kim yo'q bo'lgan ko'chada tik turib uyni kuzatolmaysiz. Everybody looks at you and says, "Who's that woman? What's she doing?" Anav ayol hamma senga qarab, anav ayol kim, nima qilyapti u deb o'ylaydi. But you can watch a house from a car. Lekin mashinaning ichidan turib uyni kuzatish mumkin. People often sit in cars waiting for somebody, having a sleep, checking their phone messages. Odamlar tez mashinalar ichida kimnidir kutib o'tirishadi, uxlashadi, telefonlardagi xabarlarni o'qishadi. I go home, make some spaghetti for dinner, and text Edith Williams. Saw C today, she's fine. More tomorrow. Men uyga boraman. Kechki ovqatga spagetti tayyorlayman. Makaron mahsulotlarini men yaxshi ko'raman. Spagetti bo'lsa men ham yegan bo'lar edim. Va Edith Williamsga yozaman. Seni bugun ko'rdim, ahvoli yaxshi, ertaga yana ko'proq xabar beraman. Chapter 4. The Boyfriend. The next day I am in the street in my car opposite the house. Ertasi kuni men o'sha ko'chada mashinamda turibman uydan. Xullas, mana uy ko'chaning bitta tomonida, o'rtada yo'l, bu tomonda yana uylar bor-da. Xullas, mana shu bu tomondagi o'sha uyning o'zi tomonda emas, mana bu ro'parasidagi uylar tomonda mashinada o'tiribman. I have a cup of coffee, a newspaper, and a lot of time. Meaning, menda qahva bor, gazeta va juda ko'p vaqt. I want to see Thomas and talk to him. Men Thomas bilan uchrashib, u bilan gaplashmoqchiman. Then I can make my report to Mrs. Williams and the job is finished. Keyin Williams xonimga hisobotni beraman va ishim tugaydi. At 17:45, Carrie walks down the street and goes into the house. 5:45 da bu tushdan keyingi 5:45 ya'ni oqshomdagi 5:45. Carrie xullas ko'chadan kelib uyiga kiradi. I'm watching carefully now, endi men juda ehtiyotkorlik bilan yaxshilab kuzatyapman. People are coming home from work. Odamlar ishdan uyga qaytishyapti. In cars, on bicycles, on foot. Mashinalarda, velosipedlarda, piyoda. Lots to watch. Ko'p narsani kuzatish kerak. Two people go into the house, a young woman and a short older man with white hair. Ikki kishi o'sha xullas xullas o'sha uyga ichida 6 ta kvartirasi bor uyga kirishadi. Yosh ayol va bo'yi past, yoshi katta oq sochli kishi. At 8:25 a young man walks down the street, tall with dark hair. 6:25da bir yigit, bir yosh kishi ko'chada yuradi, bo'yi baland, sochi qora. He walks to the front door and in 2 seconds I'm out of the car, across the street and standing behind him at the door. U o'sha eshik yoniga boradi. 2 soniyada men mashinamdan tushib, ko'chani kesib o'tib, uning orqasida turibman. He opens the door and turns to look at me. U eshikni ochadi va menga qaraydi. Hi, I say. Okay to come in? I'm visiting Mike Westerbrook at number 6. Salom, men deyman. Kirsam bo'ladimi? Men Mike Westerbrook 6-uydagi Mike Westerbrookning yoniga keldim. Yes, that's okay, the young man says. He holds the door open for me and we walk up the stairs together. U eshikni men uchun ochiq turadi va biz zinadan birgalikda chiqamiz. Nice and sunny today, I say, but rain's coming in later, they say. Bugun yaxshi, quyoshli kun, lekin aytishlaricha yomg'ir yog'ar ekan. Says the young man. Deydi o'sha yigit. At the top of the stairs he turns to the door with number 4 on it, gets out his key and opens the door. Suddenly, I run back to him. Zinaning yuqorisiga chiqqanda u eshikka buriladi, 4 raqami bor, kalitini oladi va eshikni ochadi. Suddenly I run back to him. To'satdan men uning yoniga yuguraman. Hey, excuse me, is this yours? It was on the floor. Hoy, kechirasiz, bu siznikimi? Polda ekan. In my hand I'm holding a weekly bus ticket. Qo'limda men haftalik proyezdnoy ushlab turibman. It's more than 2 months old, but he can't see that because I've got my hand over the date. Bu 2 oylik proyezdnoy, 2 oylik haftalik chipta, lekin u sanasini ko'rmaydi, chunki men qo'lim bilan sanasini yopib turibman. He looks at the ticket and I look through the open door of number 4. U chiptaga qaraydi va men ochiq eshikdan ichkariga razm solaman. Lithuanian people. O'zi litvalik odamlarning ko'rinishi qanaqa? Ko'raylikchi. Malla odamlar ekan. Yaxshi. Slavyanlarga o'xshaydi, ruslar, ukrainlarga o'xshaydi. Menga shunday ko'rinyapti. Lekin mana bu kitobdagi rasmlarda kimning millati nima ekanligini bilish qiyin. Sahidning millatini rasmga qarab bila olmadik. Thomasning millatini ham men bila olmayapman to'g'risi. Agar litvalik ekanligini bilmaganimizda biz uni ingliz deb o'ylar edik. And see Carrie in the room. Va xonada Carrie'ni ko'raman. Then I'm through the door and inside the apartment. Keyin men eshikdan xonaga kirib olaman. Hey, the young man shouts at me. What are you doing? Who are you? Get out. Hoy, yigit menga baqiradi. Nima qilyapsiz? Kimsiz? Chiqing bu yerdan. I turn to Carrie. Hello, Carrie, I say. Did you text your mum last night? Did you text your mum last night? Men Carrie'ga o'girlaman. Salom, Carrie. Kecha oyingga xat yozdingmi? SMS yozdingmi? The young man is next to me now. O'sha yigit endi mening yonimda. Who is this? He says to Carrie. Balki mana bu rasmda ingliz emasligi sal pal ko'rinar. Xullas, mana bu yerda edim, qidirayotgan edim. Mening yonimda kim bu? He says to Carrie. U Carrie'dan so'raydi. What's this about? He stares at me angrily. Nima bo'lyapti bu yerda? U menga jahl bilan tikiladi. Carrie looks angry too. Carrie'ning ham jahli chiqqan. She's a private investigator, she tells the young man. U detektiv, yollanma detektiv. U yigitga aytadi. Thomas desin shuni, tells the young man. Mum sent her. Oyim uni yuborganlar. I talked to her yesterday in the cafe. Kecha u bilan bu ayol bilan kafeda gaplashgan edim. I told you, remember? Aytgan edim kecha, esingdami? The young man suddenly smiles. O'sha yigit to'satdan jilmayadi. He has a very nice smile. Tabassumi juda ham yaxshi ekan. How exciting. I never met a private investigator before. Qanday qiziqarli. Avval yollanma detektivni uchratmaganman. How do you do? I am Thomas Savanas and I am very pleased to meet you. Yaxshi yuribsizmi? Mening ismim Thomas Savanas va siz bilan uchrashganimdan juda xursandman. He holds out his hand and we shake hands. U qo'lini tutadi va men uning qo'lini olaman. Wrong name, I think. Menimcha ismi haqiqiy emas. Not the name on the door. Eshik, xullas qo'ng'iroqqa yozilgan ism emas. But this is the Lithuanian boyfriend. Lekin bu o'sha litvalik boyfriend ekanligi aniq. Buni qanday bilish mumkin? O'sha kishining aksentidan bilish mumkin. Albatta, agar tashqi ko'rinishi bizga aytmasa, aksentidan bilish mumkin. Masalan, u mana bunday gapirayotgan bo'lishi mumkin. How exciting. I never met a private investigator before. How do you do? I am Thomas Varnas and I am very pleased to meet you. Bilmayman aslida Litva aksenti qanaqa bo'ladi, lekin agar u Londonda tug'ilib o'smagan bo'lsa, aksenti xorij aksenti bor bo'lishi kerak. But this is the Lithuanian boyfriend. Sherlock Holmes. Pleased to meet you too, I say. Sherlock Holmes. Siz bilan tanishganimdan men ham xursandman. I'm sorry about this. Mana shu qilgan ishim uchun uzr to'satdan kirib olganim uchun. But I need to talk to you. Carrie's mother, lekin siz bilan gaplashishim kerak. Carrie'ning oyisi. Of course, says Thomas. I understand. Please, sit down. Can I get you some coffee? Albatta, Thomas deydi. Tushunaman. Iltimos, o'tiring. Sizga qahva olib kelaymi? He and Carrie make coffee and we all sit down round the table. U va Carrie qahva damlashadi. Biz hammamiz stol atrofida o'tiramiz. Thomas looks at me smiling. Thomas menga jilmayib qaraydi. So, he says, you want to ask me questions so you can tell Carrie's mother all about me. Shunday qilib, demak, u deydi, mendan savollar so'raysiz, so that you can tell. Men haqimda Kerryning oyisiga aytib berish uchun. I am very happy about that. Bu haqda men juda ham xursandman. What do you want to know? Shall I begin? Nimani bilishni xohlaysiz? Boshlayveraymi? So I listened to the story of Thomas Varnas's life. Shunday qilib men Thomas Varnasning hayoti hikoyasiga quloq solaman. He is 19 years old and comes from Vilnius in Lithuania. Older. Agar u 19 yoshda bo'lsa, ularning orasidagi farq unchalik katta emas-ku. Older, oyisi aytgan edi. He is older. Yoshi kattaroq degandan keyin men 25 yoshdami, 30 yoshdami deb o'ylagan edim. 19 yoshda ekan. U 19 yoshda, u Litvadagi Vilnius. Buning tarjimasi nima bo'ladi? Vilnius ekan. Vilniusdan. He came to London 6 months ago because he wants to start a business. U Londonga 6 oy avval kelgan ekan. 6 oy avval. Kerry esa 5 oy avval uydan qochib ketgan. Demak, u hali Londonda 1 oy yashaganida Kerry bilan tanishgan ekanmi? Kerry esa maktab o'quvchisi. Ular qanday tanishishdi? Balki tasodifan bo'lgandir. O'zining biznesini boshlamoqchi. His family make linen cloth in Vilnius and Thomas wants to sell it in England. Oilasi Vilniusda nima bo'ladi? Linen tarjimasi shoshmanglar. Lyon emasmi? Sherstbelyo. Linoy. Lyon. Flax. Lyon. Tor. Lekin o'zbekchasichi? Zig'ir. Choyshab surp o'rin ko'rpa jilda. Xo'p. Lyon. Oilasi Lyon matosini Vilniusda tayyorlashar ekan. Thomas esa uni Angliyada sotishni xohlaydi. At the moment, he's working Monday to Friday in a hospital because he needs the money. Ayni damda u dushanbadan jumagacha kasalxonada ishlayapti chunki unga pul kerak. But he's selling linen in the street market on Saturdays. Lekin shanba kunlari bozorda Lyon sotyapti. Business is good and is getting better every week. Ishlar yaxshi ketayotgan ekan. Carrie wants to tell me more about it. Carrie menga ko'proq narsa aytib berishni xohlaydi. It's beautiful linen, you know. Chiroyli mato. The best in the world. Dunyodagi eng yaxshisi. I'm learning all about it. Men u haqda hamma narsani o'rganyapman. She's excited. I can see it in her green eyes. U qiziqib qolgan bu narsaga, men buni uning ko'zlarida ko'ryapman. Thomas is smiling. Thomas jilmayapti. Carrie is very good with the colors of the linen, he says. Carrie, linenning ranglari bilan juda yaxshi. Bu nima degani? Ranglarni yaxshi eslab qoladimi? Ranglarni mana yashilni top deganda topib bera oladimi? Mana shunaqa gaplarni eshitganda kontekst to'liq bo'lmagani uchun tushunish qiyin. She wants to work with me. Yoki u linenni bo'yash ishlarini yaxshi bajara olyaptimi? U men bilan ishlashni xohlaydi. Linen matosining rasmini ko'ramiz o'zini. Demak, mana shunaqa. Mana shunaqa mato. And she's good at business too. Very good. better than me. Va u biznesni ham yaxshi tushunadi. Juda yaxshi, mendan yaxshiroq. He puts the back of his hand against Carrie's face, just a touch, a very gentle touch, and smiles into her eyes. U qo'lining orqasini Carriening yuziga qo'yadi, just a touch. Shundagina teginib qo'yadi. Juda mana bunda ushlab olmaydi yuzidan. Va uning ko'zlariga jilmayadi. She looks up at him and the love in her eyes is clear. U unga qaraydi, Carrie ham Thomasga qaraydi va ko'zlaridagi sevgi aniq ko'rinadi. For a second or two the world stops for them. Bir-ikki soniya dunyo bular uchun to'xtab qoladi. These two young people are very much in love. Bu ikkalasi juda ham bir-birlarini yaxshi ko'rishadi. Carrie looks at me again. Carrie yana menga qaraydi. Everybody wants to wear clothes made of linen now, you see, so our business is going to get bigger. Hamma lyondan tayyorlangan kiyimlarni xohlaydi hozir. Shunday qilib bizning biznesimiz yana ham kattalashadi. Lots of hard work, says Thomas. Katta mehnat, Thomas deydi. But we're young, we can work hard, no problem about that. Lekin biz yoshmiz, ishlay olamiz, buning muammosi yo'q. But we do have one problem. He looks at Carrie, your family. Lekin bizning bitta muammomiz bor. U Carrie'ga qaraydi, sening oilang. Oh, that, Carrie says, not important. I don't need them, we're fine without them. Ha, shuni, Carrie deydi. Muhim emas, ular menga kerak emas. Biz ularsiz ham yaxshi yashayapmiz. Not so, Thomas says gently. Your mother is unhappy, your little brother is unhappy, and your father too. Unday emas, Thomas deydi. Oying baxtsiz, ukang baxtsiz, otang ham. No, he isn't. My father is a horrible man. We have arguments all the time. Yo'q, dadam baxtsiz emas. Dadam juda ham yomon odam. Biz har doim janjallashamiz. Every day he tells me, do this. Don't do that. Do this. Har kun ular menga aytadilar, buni qil, uni qilma, buni qil. He is always right and I'm always wrong. Ular har doim haq, men har doim nohaq. Always, har doim. He never listens to me. U menga hech qachon quloq solmaydi. He doesn't understand me. He doesn't want to understand me. Meni tushunmaydilar, meni tushunishni xohlamaydilar. He's just horrible. Shunchaki ular dunyodagi eng yomon odam. Shh, Tom says. When people are angry, sometimes they say bad things. Odamlarning jahli chiqqanda ba'zan yomon gaplar aytishadi. Maybe they don't really think that. Balki aytgan gaplarni aslida nima desa bo'ladi? Chin qalbdan aytishmaysiz. I don't mean that. Ya'ni это имею в виду yo'q, bu narsa emas. Menga boshqa tarjima kerak. I don't mean Ruschasini ham bilmayman, o'zbekchasini ham bilmayman. Ya'ni bu yerda aytyapti, maybe they don't really think that. Shunchaki aytilgan gaplar bo'lishi ham mumkin, ya'ni ular orqasida haqiqiy emotsiya, haqiqiy mana shunday fikr yo'q. You and your father have a lot of arguments and you both get angry and say things. Ikkalangiz ham ko'p janjallashasiz, ikkalangizning ham jahlingiz chiqib, turli gaplarni bir-biringizga aytasiz. Yes, but Carrie says, lekin Carrie deydi, I sit and listen. Men o'tirib quloq solaman. This is not their first argument and it's not going to be their last one. Bu ularning birinchi gap talashib qolishi emas. Va oxirgisi ham bo'lmaydi. It's interesting to listen to them. Ikkalasining gaplarini eshitish qiziqarli. Thomas is very gentle with Carrie, but he's strong too. U Kerryga ehtiyotkorlik bilan muomala qilyapti, lekin u kerak bo'lganda xullas gapini ham o'tkazadi. He's in love, but he still thinks clearly. U sevib qolgan, lekin sevgisi miyasini bulutlab qo'ymagan. Fikrlashi hali ham yaxshi. Excuse me, I say, I'm still here, you know. Men hali ham shu yerdaman. They look at me. Thomas laughs. Sorry, he says. Ular menga qarashadi. Thomas kuladi. Uzr, u deydi. We talk about this often, biz bu haqda tez gaplashamiz. In the end, Carrie must go back home. She knows that. Oxir oqibat Carrie uyiga borishi kerak. U buni biladi. No, I don't, says Carrie. I'm not going back home. No way. Yo'q, Carrie deydi. Men uyga qaytib bormayman. Hech kim meni majbur qila olmaydi. But Carrie, you can't cut your family out of your life. Lekin Carrie, oilangni hayotingdan chiqarib tashlay olmaysan. Family is important. Oila muhim. My family is important to me. Mening oilam menga muhim. Oilalar har xil. Thomasning oilasida ishlar yaxshi bo'lgani hamma oilalarda hamma bir-birini tushunib, bir-biriga mehr berib yashaydi degani emas. And I want you to have your family too. Men ham sening oilang bilan birga bo'lishini xohlayman. To be friends with your mother and your father. Ota-onang bilan do'st bo'lishini xohlayman. Hamma ota-onalar ham farzandi bilan do'st bo'lishini xohlashmaydi. And your little brother. Mana, agar do'stlashmoqchi bo'lsangiz, ukangiz bilan, singlingiz bilan do'stlashing. Sinfdoshlaringiz bilan do'stlashing, kursdoshlaringiz bilan do'stlashing. Bitta begona odamni topib o'sha bilan do'stlashing. Ota-ona har doim ham do'st bo'lmaydi. And your little brother va ukang bilan. They're off again. Ular yana janjalni boshlashadi. I'm trying to smile. Men ularning janjalini kuzatib jilmayishga harakat qilyapman. This argument is going to run and run. Bu gap talashish uzoq davom etadi. I think Thomas is good for Carrie. Menimcha Thomas Carrie'ga mos. Well, I'm done here, I say. It was good to meet you, Thomas. I can tell Mrs. Williams about you now. And, well, good luck to both of you. Bu yerda mening ishim bitdi. Sen bilan tanishganimdan xursandman, Thomas. Endi Williams xonimga sen haqingda aytib beraman. Ikkingizga ham omad. Carrie smiles. Carrie jilmayadi. Thanks, Shirley. Can I call you Shirley? Rahmat, Shirley. Sizni Shirley deb chaqirsam bo'ladimi? Aunt and Janice said you were all right. I sent Mum a text last night, you know. Aunt va Janice sizni yaxshi deb aytishdi. Men oyimga kecha xabar yuborgan edim. Thomas stands up too. I must get home now, he says. Thomas o'rnidan turadi. Men uyga ketishim kerak, u deydi. I stare at him, surprised. Thomas uyga ketmoqchi. Demak, bu yerda Carrie yolg'iz o'zi yashaydimi? Bu o'zi kimning uyi ekan? Xullas, shunaqa savollar. I stare at him, surprised. Men unga tikilib qolaman. Nima deyiladi, surprised. Hayron bo'lib. Home? You live here in this apartment, don't you? Uyga? Mana shu binoda yashaysan, shunday emasmi? No, Thomas says. Of course not. Yo'q, albatta unday emas. Carrie is 15. We cannot marry before she is 16 years old. Carrie 15 yoshda, u 16 yoshga to'lishidan oldin biz nikohdan o'tolmaymiz. It is against the law. Bu qonunga xilof. So, of course I don't live here. It is not correct. Shuning uchun albatta men bu yerda yashamayman, bu noto'g'ri bo'lar edi. But this is your apartment. Lekin bu sening kvartirang. No, Thomas says again. It's my sister's apartment. Yo'q. Thomas deydi yana. Bu mening opamning yoki opamning kvartirasi. Carrie lives here with my sister, Ruta Venati. To'g'risi men Litvadagi ismlar qanaqa bo'lishini bundan oldin bilmas edim. Bular rostdan ham Litva ismlarimi yoki o'shanga o'xshash ismlarmi? Carrie bu yerda opam Ruta Venati bilan yashaydi. She's ikkalasi bir-biriga uncha o'xshamaydi to'g'risi. Buning jahli tez, bunisini esa boshi joyida ekan. Working late tonight. U bugun kechgacha ishlayapti. I have a room with a friend near Putney Bridge. Mening Putney Bridge'ga yaqin joyda bir do'stim bilan xonam bor. I'm very surprised. I sit down again and look at Carrie. Men juda hayron qolaman. Men yana o'tiraman va Carrie'ga qarayman. Why didn't you tell me? Everybody thinks you're living with Thomas. Nega menga aytmading? Hamma seni Thomas bilan yashaydi deb o'ylayapti. Carrie doesn't look pleased. Carrie buni eshitganidan xursand emas. Well, I didn't tell them that. Men ularga bunday deb o'ylanglar deb aytganim yo'q. But my dad always thinks the worst. Lekin dadam har doim mana shunaqa narsalarni o'ylaydilar. And sometimes my mom too. Va ba'zan oyim ham. But we can get married next year when I'm 16. Lekin keyingi yili biz turmushga chiqishimiz mumkin. Oila qurishimiz mumkin. Men 16 yoshga to'lganimdan keyin. Thomas laughs. Thomas kuladi. He pulls her hair gently. U Carrie'ning sochidan ushlaydi. 16 is still very young to get married. 16 yosh baribir turmush qurish uchun yosh. We can wait. Biz kutishimiz mumkin. I want to know your family first and you want to know my family. Birinchi oilalarimiz bilan tanishib olaylik yaxshiroq. Yes, I really want to meet your family, Carrie says. Rostdan ham oilangni yaxshiroq tanib olishni xohlayman, Carrie deydi. Oilang bilan tanishishni xohlayman. But you don't want to meet mine. You really don't. Lekin sen meni oilam bilan uchrashmaganing yaxshiroq. Thomas pulls her hair again, not so gently this time. Bu safar Thomas uning sochidan qattiqroq tortadi. Nega bunday qilyapti? Of course I do. I want to talk to your father. I want him to like me. Albatta uchrashishni xohlayman. Otang bilan gaplashishni xohlayman. Meni qabul qilishini xohlayman. We have all the time in the world, Carrie. Bizda vaqt ko'p. We have all the time in the world. To'g'ri, shu gap aytiladi, lekin hech kimda barcha vaqt yo'q, dunyodagi barcha vaqt yo'q. Hech kim bu dunyoda abadiy qolmaydi. Let's just take our time, eh? Kel shoshilmaylik. Lekin Thomas ingliz tilida rostdan ham yaxshi gapiryapti. Carrie tries to look angry, then she laughs and puts her arms around him. Carrie o'zini jahldor qilib ko'rsatishga harakat qiladi, keyin kuladi va uni bag'riga bosadi. Thomas and I leave the house together. Thomas va men uydan birgalikda chiqamiz. He walks with me to my car. U men bilan mashinamga yurib boradi. I'm sorry about Mr. Williams, he says. Janob Williams haqida afsusdaman, u deydi. I think he loves Carrie a lot. Menimcha u Carrie'ni juda yaxshi ko'radi. Maybe I can meet him and talk to him one day. Balki u bilan bir kuni uchrashib gaplasha olarman. But Mrs. Williams doesn't need to be afraid for Carrie. Please tell her that. Lekin Williams xonim qizi uchun qo'rqishi shart emas. Iltimos unga shunday deb ayting. Of course, I say. I've got a lot to say to Mrs. Williams. Albatta, men deyman. Williams xonimga aytadigan gaplarim ko'p. Thomas and I shake hands again and say goodbye. Thomas va men yana Qo'l siqishamiz va xayrlashamiz. I drive back to my office and check my messages. Men ofisimga qaytib boraman va xatlarni SMSlarni, emaillarni tekshiraman. There's a message from Sahid. Call me about the Lithuanian boyfriend. Sahiddan xabar kelgan, menga litvalik boyfriend haqida qo'ng'iroq qil. I sent him a text. Men unga SMS yozib yuboraman. Found the boyfriend, thanks. Boyfriendni topdim, rahmat. And the girl, qizni ham. All well, no problems, hammasi joyida. Muammolar yo'q. Easy case, nothing horrible. Oson ish, qiyin emas. But thanks for the help. SH. Yordam uchun rahmat. A text comes back from Sahid at once. Sahiddan o'sha zahoti javob xabar keladi. Oh, thanks a lot. I made 12 phone calls for you, all for nothing. Katta rahmat. Sen uchun men 12 ta telefon qo'ng'irog'ini amalga oshirdim. Demak, hammasi bekorga ekan. Next time you can help me. Keyingi safar sen menga yordam berasan. SP Sahid Patel. Oh dear, Sahid is not pleased. I often need his help, so I must be nice to him. I sent him another text. Sahid xursand emas. Men undan tez yordam so'rayman. Shuning uchun unga men yaxshi munosabatda bo'lishim kerak. Unga men boshqa SMS yozaman. Sorry, really sorry. Uzr, juda afsusdaman. Can I buy you a beer tonight? Senga bugun piva sotib olib beraymi? SH. A text comes back from him. Okay, the King's Arms by the river. Undan javob xabar keladi. Xo'p, King's Arms degan demak bar bor ekan. Daryo yonida, daryo yaqinida. 9 o'clock this evening. See you. Kechki payt soat 9da ko'rishamiz. Chapter 5. A foot in the door. 5-bob eshikdagi oyoq. Sahid and I have a beer together and I tell him all about the Lithuanian case. Sahid va men birgalikda piva ichamiz va men unga Litva ishi haqida hamma narsani aytib beraman. A father-daughter problem, eh? Says Sahid. Well, I know all about difficult fathers. Ana endi bizga aytilyapti. Ota-qiz muammosimi? Men qiyin otalar haqida ko'p narsa bilaman. Sahid is from an Indian family. Sahid Hind oilasidan. He and his sister Layla have their problems with a difficult father too. Va opasimiz singlisi Layla ham mana shu qiyin ota bilan muammolari bor. But Sahid never talks about his problems. Lekin Sahid muammolari haqida hech qachon gapirmaydi. He just does his job. He's a good detective. U shunchaki ishini bajaradi. U yaxshi detektiv. So, you did a good job there. A happy ending, says Sahid. Shunday qilib, sen yaxshi ishlabsan. Baxtli yakun, Sahid deydi. Yes and no, I say. One more thing to do. Ha va yo'q, men deyman. Yana bitta narsani qilish kerak. We finish our beer and leave. Biz pivani tugatib ketamiz. So, say hi to Layla for me, I say. Mendan Laylaga salom ayt, men deyman. Layla is my best friend. Layla mening do'stim. She's a lawyer, u advocat. Layla, Sahid and I have a lot of arguments about the law and the police and private investigators. Layla, Sahid va men qonun, politsiya va yollanma detektivlar haqida ko'p janjallashamiz. We have a good time. Biz vaqtimizni yaxshi o'tkazamiz. I'm always right, of course. Albatta men har doim haqman. The next day is Saturday. Ertasi kuni shanba. I do some work on my laptop in the office and think about the Lithuanian case. Men ofisda notebookimda ishlayman va Litva ishi haqida o'ylayman. How many young men are there like Thomas Varnas? Thomas Varnasga o'xshagan yigitlar nechta ekan? I think about it some more, then I leave and walk to the Williams' house. Men bu haqda yana ko'proq o'ylayman, keyin ketaman va Williamslar uyiga boraman. It's not far from my office. Ularning uyi mening idoramdan uzoqda emas. Mrs. Williams opens the door, sees me and tries to shut the door again, but my foot is in the door. Williams xonim eshikni ochadi, meni ko'radi va uni yana yopishga harakat qiladi. Men oyog'imni eshik orasiga qo'yib, xullas eshikni to'xtataman. Can I come in, Mrs. Williams? I say, just for a minute. Kirsam bo'ladimi, Williams xonim, men deyman, bir daqiqaga. It's Saturday. My husband's at home. My husband's at home. Bugun shanba, erim uyda. Edith Williams says. Edith Williams deydi. Please speak quietly. Iltimos past ovozda gapiring. Look, I've got your money ready. Here it is. Men pulingizni tayyorlab qo'ydim, mana u. And thank you. Va rahmat sizga. Carrie is texting me every day now, so I know she's all right. Carrie menga har kuni endi xabar yozyapti. Men uning ahvoli yaxshi ekanligini shundan bilaman. Please go now, please don't. Iltimos, indicating, iltimos. Who's that at the door, Edith? It's a man's voice, a big, strong voice. Eshikdagi kim keldi, Edith? Erkak kishining ovozi. Demak, erkak kishi kim keldi deb so'rayapti. Katta, kuchli ovoz. Oh, nobody, Mrs. Williams says quickly, but I'm inside the door now and looking at Mr. Williams. Hech kim, Williams xonim deydi tez, lekin men ichkariga kirib bo'lganman va Williams, janob Williamsga qarab turibman. Oh, hello, he says. Who are you? Oh, salom, u deydi. Kimsiz? Shirley Holmes, private investigator. How do you do? Shirley Holmes, yollanma detective. Qandaysiz? Your wife wanted me to find Carrie. Xotiningiz mendan Carrie'ni topishni so'radi. And talk to her boyfriend va uning boyfriendi bilan gaplashishni. What? Mr. Williams turns to his wife. Nima? Janob Williams xotiniga buriladi. What did I say to you, Edith? He shouts. Senga nima degandim, Edith? U baqiradi. We finished with that girl. O'sha qiz bilan biz aloqani uzamiz. We don't speak to her. We don't talk about her. Biz u bilan gaplashmaymiz. Biz u haqida gaplashmaymiz. And it's good news, Mr. Williams. I use my head teacher voice again. Yaxshi xabar, Janob Williams. Men yana mana shu maktab direktori ovozimdan foydalanaman. He's still shouting at his wife, so I shout too. U hali ham xotiniga baqiryapti, men ham baqiraman. And smile. Va jilmayaman. Yes, it's very good news, Mr. Williams. Your daughter Carrie is alive and well and living in London. Juda ham yaxshi xabar, Janob Williams. Qizingiz Carrie tirik va ahvoli yaxshi va Londonda yashayapti. And she has a wonderful boyfriend. Va juda ham yaxshi boyfriendi bor. Mr. Williams stops shouting and stares at me. Janob Williams baqirishdan to'xtab menga tikiladi. Behind him I can just see Darren's head. Uning orqasida men Darrenning boshini ko'ryapman. He's looking around the door with big eyes. U bir eshik orqasidan qarab turibdi, katta ko'zlari bilan. Carrie's boyfriend is a very nice young man. His name is Thomas Varnes. He's 19 years old. He's a hard worker. He's kind. Carrie'ning boyfriendi juda ham yaxshi yigit ekan. Uning ismi Thomas Varnes, 19 yoshda, mehnatkash, mehribon. He's a foreigner, Mr. Williams says angrily. U xorijlik, ajnabiy, kelgindi, Janob Williams jahl bilan deydi. You have a problem with foreigners, I say. Demak, sizda xenofobiya bor ekan. Xorijliklarni yoqtirmaslik xenofobiya deyiladi. Xenofobiya. Bu degani mana biz o'zbekmiz, aytaylik, Qozog'istonlik kishini ko'rsak, u bilan gaplashishni xohlamaymiz. Mana shu xenofobiya. Xullas, tushunyapsiz, xenofobiya. Janob Williamsda xenofobiya bor. O'zi nega boshqa misol keltirdim? Kitobda bor-ku eng kattasi. Xullas, xenofobiya sizda bor ekan deb aytyaptim. Mrs. Williams closes her eyes. Janob Williams xonim ko'zlarini yumadi. She's waiting for something. U nimadir kutyapti. What? Nimani? A lot of bad language about foreigners from her husband. Eridan kelgindilar haqida yomon gaplar eshitishni. I look at Mr. Williams again, but he isn't saying anything. Men yana Janob Williamsga qarayman, lekin u hech narsa demayapti. He's just staring at me angrily. U shunchaki menga jahl bilan tikilib turibdi. And suddenly I understand. To'satdan men tushunaman. His problem isn't with foreigners, it's with his daughter. Uning muammosi kelgindilar bilan emas, uning muammosi qizi bilan. He wants to know that Carrie is all right. He wants to hear about her boyfriend. He wants to see her, to have her back home. But he can't find the words. He just can't say it. U qizi haqida bilishni xohlaydi, boyfriendi haqida eshitishni xohlaydi, qizini qayta ko'rishni xohlaydi, uyga qaytishini xohlaydi, lekin u shunchaki mana shu his-tuyg'ularni qanday izhor etishni bilmaydi. Shu muammo ekanmi? He just can't say it. He can't find the words. G'alati emasmi? Buning nomini bilasizlarmi nima bu? Mehrsizlik deb ataladi. I speak quickly, men tez gapiraman. Thomas is a very nice young man, I say it again. It's an important message. Thomas juda ham yaxshi yigit. Men qayta aytaman, bu muhim xabar. Men, ya'ni mana shu gapni Janob Williamsga singdirish kerak. He works hard, he's doing 2 jobs, and he's going to make a good life for him in Carrie. U qattiq mehnat qilyapti. 2 ishda ishlaydi. O'zi va Carrie uchun yaxshi hayot qurib bera oladi. He speaks very good English and he's kind and he's funny, but he's strong too. U ingliz tilida yaxshi gapiradi, u mehribon, u kulgili. He's funny. He's funny. To'g'risi bilmadim. Thomas birorta hazil aytdimi? Bilmadim. U yerda ular jiddiy suhbatlashayotgan edi. Lekin u kuchli ham. He thinks family is important and he wants Carrie to come back home to be friends with her mother, her father, her brother. U oilaning ahamiyatini tushunadi. U Carriening uyga qaytishini, oilasi bilan do'stlashishini xohlaydi. All 3 of them are listening to me now. Uchalasi ham endi menga quloq solishyapti. Darren has a big smile on his face. Darrenning yuzida katta tabassum bor. Oh, and Carrie is living with Thomas's sister, not with Thomas, you know. Va Carrie Thomasning singlisi opasi bilan yashayapti. Thomasning o'zi bilan emas. Carrie wants to get married when she is 16 next year, but Thomas wants to wait. Carrie keyingi yili 16 yoshga to'lganida turmushga chiqishni xohlaydi, lekin Thomas kutib turishni xohlaydi. He wants to meet the family and he wants Carrie to meet his family. U Carrie'ning oilasi bilan uchrashni xohlaydi va Carrie o'zining oilasi bilan uchrashishini xohlaydi. So you see, Thomas Varnus is a good man. Tushunyapsizmi? Thomas Varnus yaxshi odam, a really good man, juda ham yaxshi odam. He's a boyfriend to please any father in Britain, Mr. Williams. U Britaniyadagi har qanday otaga yoqadigan yigit, janobi Williams. Carrie's father opens his mouth and closes it again. Closes it again. He still can't find the words. Carrie'ning otasi og'zini ochadi, keyin yana yopadi. U hali ham nima deyishni bilmayapti. Shunchaki qaytib kelsin, boshqa janjallashmaymiz, boshqa baqirmayman, o'z qizimday yaxshi ko'raman deb aytsin. O'z qizimday yaxshi ko'raman desin. He still can't find the words. So now you know all about him, Mr. Williams. Meet him, talk to him, ask him to Sunday lunch. Endi u haqda hamma narsani eshitdingiz, janob Williams. U bilan tanishing, gaplashing, yakshanba kuni tushlikka taklif qiling. I turned to Mrs. Williams. Do you usually have Sunday lunch, you know, that wonderful British meal? All foreigners love it. Men Williams xonimga o'girilaman. O'sha ovqatni yeysizlarmi? Sunday lunch yoki Sunday roast deyiladi odatda. Sunday roast. Rasmini ko'ramiz. Xullas, duxovkada pishirilgan go'sht, sabzavotlar bilan shu ovqatda, xullas, duxovkada pishirilgan ovqat. O'sha ovqatni yeysizlarmi? Yakshanba kunlari barcha xorijliklar uni yaxshi ko'rishadi. Yes, she says. U deydi. Yes, I always do a nice Sunday lunch. Men har doim yakshanba kuni o'shani pishiraman. Yaxshi pishiraman. Well, there you are then, I say. I smile around at everybody. Unda bo'lsa mana javob topildi. Men deyman, hammaga jilmayaman. Sunday lunch, yakshanba kuni tushlik. That's a good way to meet your daughter's boyfriend. Mana shu ovqat ustida qizingizning boyfrendi bilan uchrashib gaplashib olasizlar. I take my money from Mrs. Williams, give Darren a big smile and a wave, and walk to the front door. Men Williams xonimdan pulimni olaman, Darrenga jilmayib, xayrlashish uchun qo'limni silkitaman va eshik yoniga boraman. Nobody is shouting, nobody is crying. So far, so good. Hech kim baqirmayapti, hech kim yig'lamayapti. Hozircha hammasi yaxshi. Have a nice day, everyone, I say, and close the door behind me. Kuningiz yaxshi o'tsin, men deyman va eshikni yopaman. Chapter 6. A surprise visitor. Kutilmagan mehmon. The next 3 weeks are busy. Keyingi 3 hafta band bo'ladi. Keyingi 3 hafta band bo'ladi. Men bitta narsa haqida o'ylayapman-da. Agar Thomas rostdan ham tabletka sotuvchi bo'lib chiqsa, bu hikoya uzunroq bo'lishi mumkin edi. Xullas, the next 3 weeks are busy. Keyingi 3 hafta band o'tadi. Ishlar ko'p. I have a new case to work on and I'm out of the office nearly every day. Menda yangi case bor, ish bor va men deyarli har kuni idoradan tashqarida bo'laman. I don't like the client very much, but the case is an interesting one. Menga mijozning o'zi unchalik yoqmaydi, lekin ishning o'zi yaxshi. On Saturday morning, I'm in the office again. Shanba kuni ertalab men yana ofisdaman. I have a lot of emails to write, so I'm not pleased when my doorbell rings. Men ko'p emaillar yozishim kerak va qo'ng'iroq jiringlaganda men xursand emasman. The computer screen shows me a man at the door. Kompyuter ekrani menga eshikda bir kishini ko'rsatadi. Well, what a surprise. Xo'sh, qanday surpriz. I hit the open door button and the man comes in. Men eshikni ochish tugmasini bosaman va o'sha odam kirib keladi. Mr. Williams, good morning. How are you? I say. What does he want? Janob Williams, xayrli tong. Qandaysiz? Men deyman. U nimani xohlayapti ekan? Nima uchun keldi ekan? Morning, Miss Holmes. He's not friendly. He's not unfriendly. He looks around my little room. Xayrli tong, Miss Holmes. U unchalik samimiy ham emas, lekin qo'pol ham emas. Xonamga qaraydi. Nice office, he says. Yaxshi xona, u deydi. Can you see the river from your window? Derazangizdan daryoni ko'ra olasizmi? He walks to the window, looks out. What does he want? U deraza yoniga boradi, tashqariga qaraydi. U nima xohlaydi ekan? Nima uchun keldi ekan? Maqsadga ko'chmayapti-da. Does he just want to talk about my office? Shunchaki xonam haqida gapirish uchun keldimi? Maybe the weather's next. Balki keyin ob-havo haqida gapirishni boshlar. It's colder today, he says. Autumn's coming. Bugun havo salqinroq, u deydi. Kuz kelyapti. I wait. Men kutaman. He comes away from the window. U derazadan uzoqlashib, men tomonga keladi. Can I sit down just for a minute? O'tirsam bo'ladimi? Bor yo'g'i bir daqiqaga. Of course, please, I say. Albatta, iltimos o'tiring, men deyman. Now he looks at me. I just wanted to say, well, you were right about Thomas Varnes. He's a fine young man. I like him a lot. Endi u menga qaraydi. Shunchaki aytmoqchi edim. Thomas Varnes haqida to'g'ri aytgan ekansiz. U yaxshi yigit ekan. U menga yoqib qoldi. Well, that's great, Mr. Williams. I'm very pleased. So tell me, what happened? Yaxshi, ajoyib bu. Janob Williams, men juda xursandman. Ayting, nima bo'ldi? He smiles and gets comfortable in my best chair. He wants to tell me all about it. U jilmayib, xullas kresloda qulay o'tirib oladi va menga hamma narsani aytib bera boshlaydi. We asked him to Sunday lunch. Biz yakshanba kuni uni tushlikka taklif qildik, like you said, o'zingiz aytganingizdek. And he and Carrie came to lunch and stayed all day. Va u va Carrie tushlikka kelib, kun bo'yi biznikida qolishdi. Lots to talk about. Ko'p narsalar haqida gaplashdik. He laughs. U kuladi. Me and Carrie have an argument, of course, but we always do. Carrie va men yana janjallashamiz albatta, lekin bu biz uchun odatiy hol. Tom, I call him Tom now, you see, is very good for Carrie. Tom, men uni Tom deb chaqiryapman. Carrie'ga juda ham yaxshi ekan. He doesn't get excited and angry like Carrie does. Aytganimdek, Thomas rostdan ham ancha o'zini bosib olgan kishi. Jahli tez emas. Shuning uchun bular bir-biriga plus minus bo'lgani uchun bir-biriga mos bo'lishsa kerak-da. Shundaymi? Ya'ni bir-biriga qarama-qarshi bir-birining xullas to'ldirib turadi bir-birini. Pride and Prejudice'dagiga o'xshab. Elizabeth va Darcy'ga o'xshab. U jahli tez emas ekan Carrie'nikidek, and Carrie listens to him. Carrie unga quloq solar ekan. He laughs again. U yana kuladi. She never listens to me. U menga hech qachon quloq solmaydi, lekin Tomga quloq solar ekan. But I'm still entertaining the thought of that plot twist. Rostdan ham oxirida shunaqa bo'lib chiqsa. Tom, men seni nima deydilar? Moto sotadigan kishi nima deyiladi o'zi? Bazzozmidi? Shunaqa edi shekilli. Men seni mato sotuvchi deb o'ylagan edim. Sen boshqa narsa sotar ekansan. I smile and say something about the father-daughter thing. Men jilmayaman, to'g'risi o'zimga bu narsa haqida o'ylayapman. Shunaqa narsalar haqida balki ko'p kino ko'rgandirman. Men jilmayaman va mana shu ularning vaziyati haqida kommentariy aytaman. So, Carrie's back home with us now. Shunday qilib, Carrie bizning uyimizga qaytib keldi. Tom comes around every morning, of course. Tom albatta every evening, har kuni kechki paytda keladi, albatta. And weekends, va shanba kunlari, he is out with Darren now, playing football. U hozir Darren bilan do'stlashib olgan. Demak, Darren pochchasi bilan do'stlashib olibdi. Futbol o'ynayapti. Darren thinks he's wonderful. Darren Tomni ajoyib deb o'ylayapti. Thomas is a big brother for Darren, I say. Thomas Darrenga aka bo'ladi. That's right, says Mrs. Williams. Gapingiz to'g'ri, deydi janob Williams. Oh, and Carrie's back at school too. Carrie maktabga qaytib boryapti. She wants to do business studies. Then she can help Tom with his linen business. U tadbirkorlik yo'nalishida o'qimoqchi, keyin Tomga mana shu biznesida yordam beradi. She's got a good head for business, you know. Uning miyasi yaxshi ishlaydi biznes uchun. He laughs, u kuladi. My little Carrie, a businesswoman. Mening qizim, business lady. He stands up, o'rnidan turadi. Well, you're busy, I can see that. Siz band ekansiz. I just wanted to tell you about Tom. Shunchaki Tom haqida gaplashmoqchi edim. I like good news, Mr. Williams, I say. Yaxshi xushxabar eshitish. Yaxshi xushxabar. Xushxabar eshitishni yoqtiraman, janob Williams, men deyman. And it was good of you to come. Kelganingiz yaxshi bo'ldi. I walk with him to the door. Men u bilan eshikkacha boraman. At the door, he says, eshik yonida u deydi. You helped my family a lot. Oilamga katta yordam berdingiz. Maybe one day you need help. Just call me. Balki sizga ham bir kun yordam kerak bo'lar. Menga telefon qiling. He gives me his business card. Anything. Who knows? U menga vizitkasini beradi. Istalgan narsa haqida. Kim biladi? Balki yordamim tegar. Who knows? I'm going to remember those words. Kim biladi? Bu so'zlarni men eslab qolaman. Mana yana bitta kitobni biz o'qib tugatdik. Shoshmanglar. Mashqlarda ham rasmlar bo'lar ekan. Xo'p. Bugungi darsimiz shu yerda tugadi. Keyingisigacha xayr.